Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Shelf Service in Repair Shop Management menu. This service is useful for small to medium sized repair businesses. Imagine a repair professional opens a device to repair, and during troubleshooting they discover they need to order a component. This means it could take a few days to complete the repair. In order to maintain a clean workspace and avoid losing any components, they need to place the device and all its parts inside a shelf, right? That's why we have the shelf service on Finty. When you first register, you need to add the number of shelves in your repair shop. As you see, I already have 10 shelves here, and to add new shelves, you need to click on New. Let's say I have 30 shelves, so I'm gonna write 20. As you see, you can add up to 200 shelves on Finty. Let's say I have 30 shelves in my repair shop, so I'm gonna write 20 because I already have 10 shelves added. Shelf status needs to be empty at this point, even if there are items inside the shelves in your repair shop. And then click Save and refresh it once so that the numbers align. As you see, the shelves that I just added are all empty, and you can go ahead and change the status to full if you have items in any of your shelves. And as you see, these shelves are marked as full too, as well as these ones. And when clients bring devices for repair, only the empty shelves will appear on the reception receipt. Let's see that on the reception receipt. Let's go to reception and click on New. As you see, the first empty shelf appears, and by clicking on here, you can see all the empty shelves, and full shelves are not going to be displayed here. Let's go ahead and close that. Let's go back. As you see, there are devices on some of these shelves, and when you return devices to your clients, whether they are repaired or not, the shelves will automatically appear empty. Let me show you how they can appear empty. Let's go to reception. Let's go ahead and change this to delivered. This part might seem a little bit complicated, but you don't have to worry, as I'm going to talk about and explain every single one of these in reception video. Let's go ahead and save this and see how it's changed to empty. Let's go to shelf log. And as you see, this is the device that was on shelf number 1. Let's go ahead and close this. If you want to check or see the record or history of shelves, you can go ahead and click on shelf log. And this is the shelf log. As you see, the shelf number, reception code, client name, brand of the device, model, the date that the device entered, and the exit date. And this is it. There is another thing I need to mention here. If you use some shelves to store non-device items and you don't want them to be listed or appear on the reception receipt, you can easily change their status to full, preventing them from appearing as options during the selection process. Let's go ahead. For example, this one. For example, the shelf number 23 is the shelf I use for storing some items that are not repair related. I'll go ahead and change the status to full and update. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.